the room and stand on your assigned number.
Chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. Okay, start scan.
Okay. Like my favorite place to be flying. Disney makes you able to fly with so many rides.
I'm so in love with Disney. Okay, what did you think of Flight of Passage?
I already love Animal Kingdom.
Yes.
It was the best 4.5 minutes.
It was
oh my god,
amazing. So, if you're unaware with what this is, basically this attraction, this whole land is based off of the movie Avatar. The movie features a land called Pandora. It's so beautiful. It's basically an alien planet. So that's where we are right now. We're in Pandora. And my glasses are fogging up.
The ride was based in there too, right? That was
Right. So like basically we're on these like motorcycle kind of bikes, like these stationary motorcycle bikes. We've got goggles on, and it's kind of like riding on the back of a flying creature called a banshee. And the native of Pandora, they're called Navi, and they link to a banshee, kind of like a cowboy would link to a horse, you know? So it's kind of like their own personal horse dragon mix, whatever. So that's what we were doing. We were linking to a banshee. So it was like a simulator ride where we were flying on the back of a banshee. And what I was saying in our Epcot day when we were on Soarin', when like we would get splashed with water, we didn't feel any mist or anything, but we did in this ride. So
that was awesome.
Definitely like an improvement on like technology and stuff. It was this huge screen, 4D kind of experience. Amazing. Like, I'm gonna be honest though, I don't think it would be worth waiting 2 hours, maybe an hour.
So get here early.
Right, get here early. We got here at 7 and we were late. Like I wanted to be here at 6:30, but we still got in and out by 8:15, which I thought we would. So I don't think it's worth waiting 2 hours, maybe an hour. Definitely worth the getting up at like 5:30.
Yeah, exactly.
So yay, on to more experiences at Animal Kingdom. How they leave us, right?
Right?
Hi, Banshee.
The Banshee section.
That's where you can pick out a Banshee if you're interested in getting one yourself. So they're basically puppets that you control with a remote. You choose one, you name one, you take an oath to protect it, and then it's yours to take home. Jasmine and I are about to try the Night Blossom. It's an iconic drink that you get here in the land of Pandora. It has desert pear, limeade, I want to say apple, and then it has like I think passion fruit boba balls. So sounds delicious. And then this is also the Pangu Lumpia, and I believe this is like a pineapple and cream cheese roll. Again, I'm not a pineapple person, but sounds so good I couldn't pass it up. All right, here we go. Oh, it really is. It's so refreshing. Really good. I'm gonna try both of them. So I love sweets. Like I love sweet. I don't like sickly sweet, like way too extra to the point where it may taste like cough syrup or something, or way too fake. This is not sickly sweet at all. Is it? No, it's good.
Not too syrupy.
No, I really enjoy it. It's really refreshing on a hot day like this. Animal Kingdom is apparently the hottest park out of all 4. It's just a lot of nature and not a lot of shade. So we're in the shade right now, sipping on Night Blossom. Doesn't get any better than that. I gotta try the Pangu Lumpia. You know what? Oh, okay. Has like the slightest hint of pineapple, but it's warm, flaky, crunchy. The cream cheese is what makes it so delicious. I love this! I've got Pangula pea in my mouth. I just wanted to show you how empty this section of Pandora is. It's amazing. So if you come out of Wind Traders, the gift shop right after you get off the Flight of Passage, if you turn left, Pangu is right there, as well as Sesuli Canteen. If you turn right, there's Jasmine at the Moss Wall, and then there's this whole section right behind it, and it's just deserted right now.
Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna play a rhythm on these giant seats, and everybody here is gonna clap down to the back, okay? So let's put our hands together and clap. Everybody, go! Yeah, you in the back, let's go! Alright, here's your first rhythm. Now you! Very good. I'm gonna try another one.
King in the castle, king in the castle.
Mine, she's mine. How about you?
How about new?
Oh, look at these. Look at the Ariel and Ursula's house. Oh, look at the Mickey and Minnie. Oh my God, this is so cute. Wally and Eve. Late for everything.
So we went to Pandora. Now we're entering Dino Land.
We're entering
I want to know what happens here.
in River Depot, a souvenir shop. I spent basically $200, but I got some great stuff, okay? And they do a really cool thing where I think they only do it for Disney Resort guests. You can have your items shipped to you at your home. You can do package pickup, and I think all guests can do that. Like you just, at the end of the night, pick up your stuff in the front of the park. But for me, because I'm staying at a Disney Resort, I got them to ship it to my home back in New York, which is so awesome. I'm gonna arrive home and just see all these packages, and I can't wait to show you guys like my Disney haul. So that's gonna be really fun. Right now we're going to Dino Land, Primeval World. I think that is still closed. It unexpectedly closed, I think back in June or July. And I hear it's not going to open till October, which kind of sucks. I wanted to try it, but I've heard everyone like doesn't really like it because it's kind of rough or whatever. So maybe it's for a good thing. 2 people died on it, so you know.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center.
When an asteroid hits, let's roll!
And if you see one with its mouth open, he is not smiling at you. He's probably just overheated. On your left-hand side, I do see some African elephants, including a little one. Aww. Female elephants grow tusks. Their tusks are kind of like our grown-up teeth, though. If they fall out, get pulled out, cut out for any reason, they're not going to grow back. But they're not born pink. They're actually born gray.
Alright, so we had a really fun-filled day today. We did Flight of Passage, Nava River Journey, which was really nice and relaxing. We explored a little bit of Pandora, Night Blossoms. It was really fun. We did the safari just now, which was really nice. We saw a lot of, well, we didn't see a lot of animals because it's really hot. And then we also did Dinosaur, which was very scary and cool. So now we're at Flame Tree Barbecue, and we're having the barbecue pulled pork fries, which was on my list for a while. Also a mandarin orange lemonade and some waters to stay hydrated.
Actually, we might need one. Miko.
I love this so much. I love orange, I love lemonade. This is $5, but you can actually get it with vodka too.
Oh.
But I'm not doing that right now.
Not right now, it's too hot though.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town, and be just like the other men. I'm tired of mugging around.
Get ready for Sydney. Your exit's coming up. Crush, I forgot. How old are you? 150, dude. And still young. Righteous. Righteous.
I got a berry cherry limeade. It just sounded good, but it does taste good.
I got the surf and turf, which comes with coconut shrimp, steak, stir-fried mash.
Amazing. This is chicken tikka masala with jasmine rice in the middle and some garlic naan bread. It's one of my favorite Indian dishes.
Community in celebration of life. Like generations before us, we share stories of youth, discovery, danger, and love. Stories reflecting the emotional journeys of animals and humans alike. For we are of one heart.
on the planet.
I'm gonna cry.
And thinking, step into the sun. There's more to see than can ever be seen. More to do than can ever be done.
You'll be hard.
No, no.
Oh my god, I can't. Aw, fine, George.